Brad Hall here, and I've got a really exciting show today. I'm working with Cariuma on this one, and I got a chance to test out their brand new skate shoe, the Catiba Pro. I'll tell you all about this shoe, and then I've got the worldwide debut of my skating video. You don't want to miss this one. The Catiba Pro is the very first skateboard shoe from Cariuma. For those who don't know about the brand, they are all about being eco-friendly. They do a bunch of cool things. For every shoe purchase, they actually plant trees in the rainforest. The packaging itself is made out of recycled materials. They also encourage you to reuse the box. You can seal it back up, ship something in there. And then of course you've got the shoe. They do a lot of eco-friendly things with it. The upper, it's got this organic cotton canvas. The outsole is made of a natural rubber. And then this insole, it is made out of a bunch of plant-based materials. So all of those eco-friendly things, those are very cool. But this is also a skate shoe, so it's gotta have really good skate shoe properties. You'll notice a hefty dose of suede in those spots that need a little bit more durability, especially that toe area. That natural rubber outsole that has so much traction on it, that is really gonna come in handy for all of those tricks. And then you've got that insole again. It's a nice and thick insole. It should provide some really good cushioning, a lot of comfort. Look at that heel. It's very padded back here. So that is the Catiba Pro. It's a classic looking skate shoe from an eco-minded brand. Now, I thought it would be helpful to see this shoe in action, and I do love skateboarding, so I grabbed my skateboard, I grabbed my camera, and I put together one of those really cool skate videos. So I'm excited to show you that right now. Enjoy. Every time I watch that video, I get so pumped up, so I hope it has that effect on you too. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.